what I have done since becoming a princess. Wrote a book for you children. The book is called Sitting on the Bench. I have called it Sitting on the Bench because inspiration came to me, creativity came to me, and I said, why not just use my personal understanding of what my life has been? My life has been about sitting, doing absolutely nothing, but demanding so much in return. I only work an hour per week, and so does Prince Harry. Well, except for the chickens and the rooster, and having to deal with my mother, Doria. Another headache. Sometimes I really, really